Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Tonight I am filming my nighttime routine that helps me wake up at 4 a.m. Yes, 4 a.m. I start my workday pretty early, so I try to have a good nighttime routine to help me wind down for the evening and wake up bright and early the next day. So I am grabbing my water and my mask and I'm headed to do my evening walk. So a 30-minute walk in the morning and at night helps me get my 10,000 steps a day. Then once I am back from my walk, I come back and wash my hands, of course, just because you didn't see it doesn't mean I didn't do it. And then I let down all the shades and turn on the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, Serum. I then make my way back into the bathroom to light my candles. So at night I like all of the candles lit. I don't always light a candle in the morning when I take my bath, but at night it just is so soothing and really sets the mood and the vibe. And now that the bubble bath is done, I wanted to give you guys a tour of this bathroom because it's my little spa oasis that I have set up in here, and I have it a little bit decorated for the holidays, but not quite. I did use that little sled there to put the 3 candles on, our little nutcracker, and some Merry Christmas guest towels. And then I have the white tea and sage candle from Bath & Body Works. And I just think it looks super neutral but a little bit holiday, so I love the balance of both. And then I'm stepping into the tub and going to read this fiction novel. It's so good. It reminds me a lot of Gone Girl, so if you like that book and the movie, you should check that one out. And then I head into our master washroom to do my skincare routine, and this is a product I haven't shared with you guys, but it's my new night cream and I really like it. I'm surprised that I enjoy it because it is coconut based, but the first ingredient is neem oil, and neem is amazing for the skin. I just learned that this year. So I start by using some almond oil to break up my mascara, and then I use my cleanser. You guys have seen that before, followed by my toner. This is a new product as well that I'm showing you guys. It is organic calendula oil, and I just learned about that this year too. It's great for any acne scarring or if you have eczema, dry skin, and so I've been using a little bit of that serum on my face, and then I put on my night cream. And then I take down my hair that I have bobby pinned in a bun, and I love it because it creates these beautiful S waves. So if I wear my hair down, I don't have to curl it or anything, or it looks great also in a ponytail. It has a lot of volume, so I just spray in some moisturizer and then add in a few drops of this Mael hair growth serum that I just started using. In my last vlog, I went through my hair care routine and how I've been able to grow out my hair. We went to the hair salon and I did get my hair colored, so my ends seem a little bit dry even though I got a really nice cut. So just gonna keep everything moisturized and hydrated and put it back in a bun to sleep. So I don't use a hair tie, just use my finger to kind of wrap it around, tuck in the ends, and it's like one big pin curl. And then I just use a few bobby pins to hold it in place. Then I switched back into my pajamas and I put on my scarf. So everything gets locked in, moisturized, and I have nice, shiny, smooth hair the next day. So that's a huge help in the morning getting ready, is not having to fuss with my hair. So now it's about 6:30 and I'm cooking a nice, easy dinner. I have some bell pepper that's sauteing with some garlic and avocado oil. I love that shrimp. It's only $10. Showing you guys my couscous that I love to use, the toasted pine nut. So I am going to throw the shrimp in with the bell pepper. That's a whole pound for $10. I think that's a great deal. Squeeze some lemon juice. I did add some extra seasonings. I'll put the recipe down below. because I did add in a little bit of heavy whipping cream that I used to make a cake over the weekend, and it gave it a nice creamy base sauce. My goal each day is to drink a gallon a day, and I love to have my gallon finished by dinner time. So here is our lovely meal. It was so delicious. Then after dinner, AJ and I clean up the kitchen. It's nice to wake up to a clean kitchen the next day, especially as early as I wake up. I don't have the time to do so. And then I also have it set up for cookie baking, so that's why all of that stuff is out. And then I get ready for the next morning. So at night, I always say the best morning routine starts at night. I love to fill up my water again so it's ready to go the next day. And then I also do my pre-workout. So this is just another little thing. Maybe it saves me 15 seconds, but you know, in the morning when you're kind of groggy and you're like trying to figure out what to do and you're kind of stumbling around in the dark. I hate being like that. So having my pre-workout in the shaker cup right by the fridge ready to go helps, and my water is also ready to go. And then I head back into the bathroom to brush and floss my teeth. And it's 9 p.m. so I like to get in the bed between 9 and 9:15 because, like I said, I'm waking up at 4 a.m. I add on some lip balm, I take off my watch and it goes with me in the bedroom, and then I leave my cell phone in the bathroom. So that is my nighttime routine, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you guys for hanging out with me for Vlogmas, and I will see you guys soon.